Hey everyone, welcome back. If your public profile isn't showing on Snapchat, here's a simple way to get it working again. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Check your account age in Snapchat. Public profiles are only available to users old enough under Snapchat's rules, and some features differ for users under 18. If your birthday is missing or incorrect, update it in settings so Snapchat can verify your eligibility. Confirm your account hasn't been restricted for violating community guidelines. Restricted accounts can lose access to public profile features. Open your profile by tapping your Bitmoji or avatar. Then look for My Public Profile. If you see it, tap it and follow the prompts to create or enable the profile. Make sure your story visibility is set to everyone if you want public content to appear. If you don't see the option, try signing out and back in, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the app. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh. Also, try accessing the feature from a different device to rule out a device-specific bug. If you're trying to create a public profile for a brand or business, you can also create and manage profiles through Snapchat's business or ads manager tools. If none of this works, use Snapchat's in-app support. Go to Settings, I Need Help, and submit the issue with your username and a description, or reach out to @Snapchat support on social. Keep your message concise and include the steps you've already tried. Follow those checks and fixes and your public profile should appear. Good luck, and don't forget to follow Snapchat's guidelines so your profile stays active.